Your iPhone keyboard can do more than you think. Here are 3 smart keyboard tricks you should start using today. First, when you're typing a message in the Messages app, tap the little A with the lines above the keyboard. This opens Text Effects, where you can change how your message appears when you send it. You can make it big, small, shake, nod, explode, and more. Just choose the effect you like and send your message. Now, the second trick is dictation. Don't feel like typing? Just tap the microphone on your keyboard and start speaking. Your iPhone will turn your voice into text for you. If you don't see the microphone, tap and hold the globe icon. Choose Keyboard Settings and make sure Enable Dictation is turned on from here. And the third one is my favorite, text replacement. You can create shortcuts for words, phrases, or even your email address. Go to Keyboard Settings, Text Replacement, then tap the plus button. For example, type SYL and set it to See you later, or OMW for On my way. Now, whenever you type that shortcut, your iPhone will suggest the full phrase automatically. These little tricks can save you so much time and make texting a lot easier. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and share it with your friends and family.